Hello everyone, this is Emran Khan. Welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to describe, as you notice the title of this video, about how I learn English effectively. So, before start, I have a small request to all of you. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updated regularly. Let's get into the lesson. In this present world, you know the value of English language. Everywhere you cast your eyes, you need English, like your education, your career, and so it's high time to start your journey to learn English. Without knowing English, it is quite impossible for everyone to establish in life in future. So there is no time left to waste. Just start learning with me. Before doing this, just look at me, who I am. I don't pronounce the English words like the native speaker do. I don't know so many English words, but I have started my journey of learning English. As I have a strong belief I will become successful, and I must be. Learning English is not easy, but if you know the right way, if you know the right methods, it will be effective for you to learn English. In our country and also in our society, there are lots of people who have decided to learn English because they know their career depends on, but they don't know from where they will start and how they will start their journey. And my video is for them especially. Now I will share 3 effective tips to those people who have decided to learn English. The first one is, don't mimic the native speakers because their levels is higher than you. The second is, don't try to learn from the most advanced sources like English newspaper, English news channels, and also native speakers. Before learning from those sources which I have mentioned earlier, just think about your level. So, according to your level, you should select the sources which will suit you to learn your English. Now, a question arises, from where should I learn? Yes, to solve this question, I have a reply. You can learn from the dialogues which you will find in different types of books. For example, a dialogue between doctor and patient, and also a dialogue between a seller and a customer, and so on. Study this type of dialogues diligently and practice at your home by yourself or with your partner. Now the third is, don't put importance pronunciation at first. If you want to learn pronunciation at first, it will make you demotivated. It will keep you aloof from your journey. So as a beginner, you need the capability of speaking. You need the fluency. Then it will be better for you to take a look on pronunciation. When a child starts speaking through his mother tongue, that time he can't pronounce every word correctly. But he goes on speaking, and gradually all his pronunciations are correct. And now you are a beginner in this sector, and think yourself as a child of English language and start learning. It will take time to get fluency. Give time to yourself. Plan something every day to deliver in English. Create some ideas in your brain and gather some information on different types of topics which you can convert into English anytime. Just think about me as a learner. I'm trying to learn English every day. I'm trying to learn something new every day. If I become successful in learning English language, why not you? There is no time to lost. There is no time to be wasted. And from today and from now, start your journey to polish your English, to learn your English. And finally, I am about to finish. And before finish, I have a request once again. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated or to get updated. And thank you so very much because you have noticed or you have watched this video with full attention, and I think this video will help you to create sense to learn English. So be positive and take a good care of yourself. and see you next. Thank you.